The Linda Grunin Simulation and Learning Center is a partnership between Monmouth Medical Center and Monmouth University. We realized that we have a lot in common when it comes to serving our community, educating the next generation of healthcare providers,
on your next contraction you can push,
and making sure that we have the best and brightest in our area.
Excellent. How's Mom doing?
Mom is doing well.
We have a wide variety of learners coming to our simulation lab, including nursing students, PA students, physical therapy and occupational therapy students, medical students.
Students learn here both technical procedures, how to do certain things with simulated people before they get to actual people.
Our SimMan 3G has multiple advanced features, including pupils that react to light and show what's called cyanosis. So when one's oxygen level is low, sometimes there's a bluish discoloration of the lips, and actually the mannequin can simulate that. Also, heart sounds, lung sounds. Additionally, the SimMan 3G affords the opportunity to practice the very high stakes, high stress situation of a patient cardiac arrest.
Now we can immerse the students and the faculty in doing the procedure, being in the moment without any risk, and make sure that we can do it again and again. The key isn't just about being able to do something technically. It's about everybody working together to bring the best care for the patient.